Hello everyone, welcome to another education video of our channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to properly and safely get out of parking space. So please follow me guys, don't run away. Hello guys again, thank you for staying. And many location and we try to get out of parking when we are on the road test to getting our license, or we are driving our car when we already have license. So guys, today I will show you how to properly go out, okay, for safely without touching any car next to you. During the driving test, I saw many students when the examiner asked him to get out of parking, okay, I find them they making some mistakes. They turn the steering wheel, okay, too early. They are still inside the parking, or sometimes they are turning the steering wheel too late, and the car going, of course, other side. So in this video, inshallah, I will give you some easy steps. Okay, and one more thing, guys, make sure you're slowly packing up, because you need to be looking at your surrounding at all the time, because guys, you need to be careful what's behind your people walking, or cars passing. You just want to be prevent an accident. Okay guys, let's start our lesson. When the examiner asks you to go out of the parking, first thing you do, press the hazard, okay, change your gear, parking mode, okay, to the reverse, then look behind if there is anyone walking or car passing, okay, drive slowly back. When the mirror, your car mirror is matching with the car tire next to you, turn your steering wheel fully right. If you are going left, of course, turn fully right. Then when your car already in right position, press the brake, fix your steering straight, change your gear to drive mode, and go ahead. All right, my good friends, so we'll do it again. Hazard first, change your gear from parking mode to reverse, then look behind if there's any vehicles or any people walking. Right, you have to be careful. When your mirror, your mirror car is matching with the tire next to you, turn fully right, okay, and keep going. But don't stop. Just while the car moving, you have to turn. And that time, don't stop. No need to stop. Okay. And after that, when your car right position, change your gear to the mode, and you keep going. We do it again with our friends. Yes, hazard, check behind, one walking or any cars. So when the mirror, your mirror car is matching with tire next to you, turn fully right without stop, right? And then when your car already in the right position, stop, steering, then change your gear, and like that. All right, so don't be rushed when the examiner asks you to go out of the parking. Okay, look behind, of course, check if there is anyone walking or car passing. Then when the car tire next to you matching with your mirror car, that time you can turn fully right, then keep going. Okay, when you're already on right position, press the brake first, then fix your steering second, third, change your gear to drive mode. Thank you for watching. See you in other video, inshallah.